Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to copy and paste formatting in Google Sheets. This is helpful when we want to make our spreadsheets look clean, consistent, and professional. Now, let's look at our Google Sheets dashboard. To copy and paste formatting, we start by highlighting the cells we want to copy. Then we right-click on them and click Copy. Next, we select where we want to paste the formatting. For example, we will paste it here. We right-click on the target cells, then click Paste Special and select Format Only. This will paste only the formatting, not the data. We can choose between pasting values or Format Only here in Google Sheets. When we choose Format Only, it will apply the exact formatting from the original cells without changing any of the data. So if we only want the formatting, we simply select Format Only. This lets us copy things like colors, fonts, borders, and cell styles from one part of our spreadsheet to another without touching the data. And that's it. Now we know how to copy and paste formatting in Google Sheets.